Hello everyone. Today let's talk about self-love. Now we all know self-love is the essential ingredient to create the life of your dreams. Today I'm talking about something different, that is what goes to form self-love. There are 7 different elements that combine to form self-love. So check if you can tick out all these 7 elements. The first element is self-awareness. Now what is self-awareness? Self-awareness is when you're responsible for your thoughts, when you're responsible and accountable for your thoughts, when you're accountable for your feelings, when you're accountable and responsible for your behavior. I'm just looking at my notes so I don't forget the points. You are responsible and accountable for your thoughts, for your behavior, not your partners, not your spouses, not your children's, not your dads, not your moms, not your strangers, not your bosses. Self-awareness is holding yourself accountable for everything you think, everything you say, everything you do, every moment to moment. Self-awareness is when you live in your power and not live a victim life. Self-awareness. The second element is self-esteem. What is self-esteem? Self-esteem is how you hold yourself regardless of what anybody else is saying. Self-esteem does not come from what you accomplish. It doesn't come from your job title. It doesn't come from your bank statement. It comes on how you hold yourself. I am depressed. I am tired. I am just a housewife. I am just a clerk. That is no self-esteem. You need to start holding yourself. You need to be living in the power, in the knowledge, in the awareness that you are the sacred thumbprint of this universe and you deserve to live it in style. That's self-esteem. Self-respect is the third element. What is self-respect? Self-respect is standing up in yourself for what matters to you, for what you value, for your principles. You set a standard and you let people match you up there. You do not lower your standards, lower your principles, lower your values to accommodate another person. No, that is no self-respect. Self-respect is not jumping and standing up and saluting. Nor is self-respect expecting others to stand up and salute you. No, self-respect is valuing your principles, valuing your standards and holding it up high there and asking others to meet you up there. That is living in self-respect. That's the third element. The fourth element is self-exploration. Self-exploration is what? To explore yourself. See what more can I do to upgrade myself, to evolve myself, to improve myself, to transform myself. Have that courage to go all out and explore what more can you do to live your fullest self, in your fullest potential. What are the things that you need to do? What are the skills that you need to have? Every single day explore yourself. Self-exploration is an element of self-love. The next is self-care. What is self-care? Taking time for yourself, naturally. How much do you take care of your heart? How much do you take care of your mind? How much do you take care of your body? Do you go in for those massages or are you just in that rat race? Do you chill out, binge watch? That is self-care. Or are you always comparing and contrasting and drawing the graphs? Self-care is very essential to self-love. The next element is self-kindness. What is self-kindness? You are your own best friend. Be compassionate to yourself. Be kind to yourself. Please do not have pity on you. And again, self-kindness comes when you do not beat yourself up. Stop comparing yourself to others. Stop the rat race. Understand, be in that awareness that you are the sacred thumbprint of the universe. We betray ourselves. We make promises to ourselves and that we do not keep. Do not do that. Be kind to yourself. And last but not the least is self-growth. What is self-growth? How much have you grown? How old are you? Are you in your 30s? Are you in your 40s? In your 50s? If so, ask, how much have you grown in the last 3 decades? How much have you grown in the last 4 decades? How much have you grown this year? This is 2020. This is October. In the last 10 years, in the last 10 months, how much have you grown? What changes have come into your life? What changes have you made in your life? It's very important to grow. You should not be the same person that you were yesterday. That is self-growth. Make some changes. At least go change the color of your lipstick. Okay, so these are the 7 elements of self-love. Self-awareness, self-respect, self-esteem, self-exploration, self-care, self-kindness, and self-growth. See how many of these can you tick off. You need to tick off all 7, and only then you can say that you are embracing self-love. See you in the next video. Until then, God bless.